Hey, Nick Watson here at Joseph Motors. Add another vehicle to the YouTube page. It's a 2015 Ford Transit T350 high top. This is a mobility version that we have. This vehicle only has 15,000 miles. Cream puff, ready to go. Fully serviced at our Fleet Repair Center, Truck South. We're going to walk around this thing, Johnny and I. Really, really nice Kumo tires on the front. Brand new. The inside of this thing is in really, really nice shape. Again, only 15,000 miles. Really nice lines down the side of it here. BraunAbility lift in the back here. Now this one's a little bit heavier duty version. It's a 750-pound lift capacity. Most important part, turn the switch off. Really, really nice lines down the side. No dents, no dings, scratches. This one's got some really cool seats in it. So these are all removable. These can come out, totally come out. These are stationary, but they fold up like so. I've got to figure out how to make them stay. I think it is. That's the fold version there. I wonder how they stay up. Is there a trick to this, Johnny, I'm not knowing about? Okay. Well, we're going to have to get that. We're going to run out of video time. We'll have to play with that to figure that out. But these fold and pivot with this right here. You would have to move the front seats, obviously, to make this seat work properly. Then you've got all your area here for the wheelchairs and stuff. This is where your bags are for your equipment for the wheelchairs, right there. But really, really nice, really nice interior. Not any damage to the floor or anything. We gotta get the front. I did. Oh, you did? Yeah. Okay. All right. We'll come up here to the front engine compartment. Of course, all fully serviced down at the shop down there. Do a new air cleaner. All the fluids have been checked and serviced. Well, if you got any questions about this unit, please give me a call at 919-661-2886. You can call me, call Johnny, or hit us up on the website at josephmotorsnc.com. We look forward to your call. Have a great day.